Hi everybody, welcome to the vlog for this week. In this vlog, I'm going to be sharing kind of what we did this week and an exciting announcement that I think you're gonna wanna be a part of. The heroes are doing some pretty incredible things, and so I just wanna take a minute to kind of walk you through what we've been working on, because the school that I work at, like this session specifically, is so important for the students' confidence and competence, and I'll explain a little bit more as I get into the vlog. But I've got some really exciting things I'm gonna show you in the studio and then kind of unroll everything else. So really quick, comment down below, when is your end date for school? I'm really curious. We go through July, but we are a year-round school. If you wanna check out what we're up to this session, just keep watching the vlog. Did you know that phonics first and structures can be used with an existing reading program? Methods learned through Brainspring Orton-Gillingham training can be integrated into an existing elementary reading program to enhance both whole group and small group instruction, especially for struggling students who need a more multisensory approach. Brainspring's full curricula can also be used as a standalone phonics program for kindergarten through third grade classrooms and as a complete small group intervention or remediation for students in kindergarten through 12th grade who lack decoding and encoding skills. In addition, the Brainspring curricula works at all levels of tiered instruction and the RTI model. Tier 1 supports existing curriculum in the elementary classroom. Tier 2 provides targeted intervention instruction in grades kindergarten through 12th, and Tier 3 delivers intense remediation for students in grades kindergarten through 12th grade. If you'd like more information on Brainspring and their course offerings, click on the link in the description down below, and don't forget to use the promo code KINDER20 for 20% off from the Brainspring store. Alrighty, back to the vlog. Okay, welcome back. So this session is all about entrepreneurship. You know what? I'm gonna set you down, hang on. Okay, so this session is all about entrepreneurship. Now, I teach at a year-round school, you guys already know that, but we break down our weeks into different sessions, and each session is themed differently. This session is all about entrepreneurship, meaning we're not only learning about entrepreneurship, but we are basically starting our own business, which is so rad. You know that I not only teach, but I also own my own business. I run a business online. I have a Teachers Pay Teachers store. I'll link that down below. I'll link everything down below so that you guys can see it. The point is teaching that entrepreneurship to the students, to the heroes, is really neat, because what we're trying to do is create self-starters, is create students who have the ability to think on their own, come up with their own ideas, run at their own passions. And so this session, that's our focus and that's our goal. So because I'm at kind of the kinder first grade level, the goal is to get them trained and develop skills that are going to be able to empower them to create their own business when they get up to like second, third grade, because all of the heroes in the other grades, in the other studios, literally create their own businesses, write their own business plans, do the entire quest kind of independently. They do it collaboratively with the group, but they work pretty much independently building their own business. Now at the Spark level, that's where I teach, I'm trying to help train them so it's more collaborative. So we have come up with our business idea, and that is, if you can see behind me, that is to propagate plants and then sell our plants, and we're gonna create a couple other things to sell at our business fair that is coming up we're down to 4 weeks. So we've already been at this for about 2 weeks. So this week, we had a special guest come into the studio. One of our students' mother came into the studio, and she shared about her business. She owns a boutique in the area. And it was really kind of special because her story really began 45 years ago when she was her daughter's age, and her mom was just starting the boutique. So this is a multi-generational business. She was able to come in. We basically created together, we came up with 5 different questions that we wanted to ask the entrepreneur that we were gonna be interviewing. And so the heroes did just a phenomenal job. And we talked about, like, who would you prefer to buy from? The person who didn't know anything about my product, who didn't fulfill a need for you, who wasn't excited or passionate? Or would you like to purchase, the plant from the entrepreneur who was super passionate, who could tell you everything about the plant, could tell you what it was gonna yield and all of that? Then that turned into a conversation about, well, then how do we, pitch our plants to our customers? And so it was just a really, really good conversation. Then throughout the week, we've just been kind of diving into entrepreneurship, what it means to be an entrepreneur. At one point I had a hero walk out of the studio at the end of the day. He had a juice box and he's like, "Look, Mom, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm selling juice." He's 2.5 feet tall. He's this little guy, but just super passionate. And it was just neat to see him make those real life connections. And that's the whole point of doing basically project-based learning, is to make those real life connections. So on top of that, we are taking care of our plants. We have started decorating. They're doing little fingerprint paintings on them. And then we have started building our stands. So the heroes decided that they're going to do almost 2 subgroups. So there's the sparkle plants, because we're sparks. So sparkle plants, little play on words. And then there's super plants. And sparkle plants, all the pots are going to be decorated with beautiful flowers and butterflies and sparkles. And then the super plants, all of their pots are going to be decorated with superhero themed. And then we started painting our crates and boards, and it's such a process. I had a couple parents come in and just help with that, because when it's project based, you gotta have time to do it, and so I'm so thankful that we've got the time to do it. So with that said, we're gonna continue down the path of caring for our plants. We're gonna be diving into kind of our pitch this next week, what we think we should say, and then we'll start practicing that. And then the following week, we're gonna be talking about advertisement and marketing, and coming up with a brochure and our business cards, and talking about ways that we can kind of spread the word, invite our family, friends, and then attract more customers to our business at the business fair the day of. So I'm excited. I'm so excited, and it's really neat to see them get excited about it. So that's what we're doing this session. I know this is kind of a different kind of vlog, as I'm just sitting kind of and sharing with you what we've done. But if you do anything like this, a business fair or maybe a farmer's market or anything like that, maybe comment or share anything that you think might be helpful for somebody who is wanting to do something along these lines. I will link a couple blog posts, links to some resources if you're interested in doing something like this. So comment down below with your ideas. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for all your support. I so appreciate you. As always, thank you for watching. Hit that like button, share this video with somebody you think would be beneficial for them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.